What if one robot could master every surface of your pool without you lifting a finger? Meet the Aquajack 810, the automatic robotic cleaner engineered with 3 intelligent modes, smart safety systems, and app-enabled control. Standard mode: full cycle cleaning across floor, walls, and waterline. Set it and forget it. Wall mode: intense vertical scrubbing for algae and debris clinging to pool sides. Ground mode: focused floor cleaning for sediment-heavy pools or quick touch-ups. With a 4,000 mAh lithium battery and 50 W of power, the Aquajack 810 runs for more than 90 minutes, enough to thoroughly clean pools up to 149 square meters on a single charge. No pulls, no manual scrubbing. Just drop the Aquajack 810 in your pool, press start on the app, and let 3 intelligent modes do the rest. From floor to wall to waterline, your pool has never been this easy to maintain. 3 modes, total command, 0 effort. Aquajack 810 intelligence that covers every angle.